In a quiet little town, lived a boy named Ayan. He was intelligent, but he was also impatient. Whenever he started something, he wanted results immediately. If he didn't succeed fast, he gave up. At school, Ayan often left his homework incomplete. He loved playing games more than studying. When his friends prepared for tests, Ayan would say, "What's the use? I can never be the best." Slowly, he lost confidence. His grades dropped, and he began to think he was a failure. His teachers noticed this change. But one teacher, Mr. Karim, decided to guide him personally. One day, after class, Mr. Karim called Ayan. He handed him a glass of water. "Ayan," he said gently, "how many drops do you think are in this glass?" Ayan frowned. "I don't know, maybe thousands." Mr. Karim smiled. "Correct. But remember, this glass was not filled at once. It was filled drop by drop. Life works the same way. Success is not built in a single day, it grows with patience, effort, and time." Ayan stayed silent. For the first time, he began to think about his teacher's words. That night, Ayan lay awake in bed. He whispered to himself. "One drop, one day, one ocean." He thought about his failures. Maybe it wasn't because he was weak. Maybe it was because he always gave up too soon. From the next morning, he decided to change. Instead of promising himself big achievements, he made a small rule. Just one drop, every day. He started waking up early. He studied for 1 hour. At first, it felt difficult. He wanted to quit. But then, he remembered his teacher's words. Weeks passed. Little by little, Ayan improved. His handwriting got better. He started remembering formulas that once seemed impossible. Still, there were moments when he lost hope. One day, after failing a math test, he sat alone near the river. He watched the tiny drops of water falling into the stream. Slowly, those drops merged, and became strong waves. Suddenly, it struck him. If drops can form a river, why can't my small efforts form my success? He smiled, and whispered again. One drop, one day, one ocean. Months passed. Ayan kept his promise to himself. He didn't change overnight. But step by step, he grew stronger. His classmates noticed his discipline. His friends asked, Ayan, how are you improving so much? He simply replied, I just add one drop, every day. Finally, exam season arrived. Ayan gave his best. He didn't expect miracles. But he knew he had worked consistently. When the results came, everyone was surprised. Ayan had scored among the top students. On result day, Mr. Karim walked up to Ayan with a proud smile. Do you see now, my boy? You built your own ocean. Not in a single day, but through every small drop of effort. Ayan's eyes filled with tears. He realized the greatest secret of life. Consistency is more powerful than talent. Patience is stronger than speed. Small steps create big journeys. From that day forward, Ayan carried this lesson in his heart. And whenever life felt heavy, he reminded himself. One drop, one day, one ocean. Friends, if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a like. And for more motivational stories like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Share your thoughts and feedback in the comments. Your words give us the energy to create even more inspiring stories. See you in the next story. Until then, always remember. One drop, one day, one ocean.